Rani Ashrita. She is a well-obedient, well-mannered student. She is very proactive in her work.
Hi, happy morning to all. I am Rani Ashrita of grade 1. I am the diamond of my class, shining all the way. Adding credit to my ma'am, Sri Preda, who always encourages me to think out of the box, which now showcase me as a quality personality in my class. Didi was one of the quality shines you are experiencing. Divya Disney mainly shine for right brain activation and to enhance our sense organs. Now I'm well versed doing blindfold activities like color identification, picture identification. This all help me to get participation in Kalam's world record, which I performed ambidextrous in blindfold. So I consider this one of the wife hidden in my heart. So I sincerely pray my gratitude to my parents for choosing this wow school in Acharya. And I thank my MDG for introducing such a epic initiative. Thank you. Love you all. Oh, I did it. Which is my greatest strength. Now I'm over the moon to share my experience with you all about my journey in this great school. My school concentrates on academics in a fun and playful way where we learn things easily without taking more efforts. Teachers in my school incorporate both sports and academics together and teach us by parallel processing method. This school has provided us to read the lessons with various techniques and methodologies. Happy handwriting note has given me a drastic change in my handwriting. I do understand their Drishti activities where other school students have no idea about it. Now I am capable of reading super speed cards in 3x speed. I can easily read the reading cards in Crazy Professor reading method. There are 5 steps. Silent reading, loud reading with action and expression, and paraphrasing. I can do magics with abacus keyboard. I solve our problems. I thank my teachers who have let me to dream big and given me more space to explore more things. Thank you, love you all. Oh yeah, I did it!
Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavanda Vadiaro Kakavanda Patigalai Nare Narai Kirikum Zaro Zagasatin Marapero Sirivanda Vegamana Aro Paibodu Mandalava Katte Pare Hey, come on! Panameta Sapagekude Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavanda Vadiaro Kakavanda Patigalai
Here it's Sincere Rani. Here it's Sincere Rani Sherlin. She is a proactive child with confidence and positive attitude.
Hi everyone, I am Rani Sherlin of grade 1. My journey with Acharya has been creative adventure. Before joining Acharya, I didn't know that I have a passion for her. I am Acharya. When I first joined this school, reading was a challenge. I struggled to read even a single word, but with help of a reading card, with crazy professor reading method, silent reading, loud reading, louding the action and expression, and paraphrasing has made me growth. Thank you. Love you all.
Big
Oh yeah, I did it. Shivani.
வெட்டிக்கொடிகட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சிய வெட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா வெட்டிக்கொடிகட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் எட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா.
Now let me welcome vibrant Rani Vedashri. She possesses strong logical intelligence.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Rani Vedashri. Grade 1, I am here to share my experience with Acharya. First, I felt very hard to learn Hindi. My Hindi man is encouraged me and made me to learn Hindi in easy way by skill courses, share activities where I cited Hindi poems and numbers. कितने सुंदर अवसर ने मेरे को मेरे नए होने देखो 50 ला घोड़ा मागीचा ये इसका घोड़ा. Thank you, love you all.
Big
Oh yeah, I did it.
நம்பி முட்டி போது வா வா சவால் சவால் ஓயாதே சவால் தேயாதே.
Next is shining star of my class, Raja Sugan Kumar. He excels in puzzle solving skills.
Hi everyone, I am Raja Sugan Kumar of grade. I am happy to share my experience with Acharya while schooling. Thousands of steps take us to a beautiful destination, but the first step is the most important step. I feel happy that I have taken my first step as joining this while schooling at Acharya. With my parents' guidance, I am the superstar of my class, twinkling on always shining bright. Now I am at Cloud and backed more of awards today. Today, with the guidance of my teacher, explore more about new techniques. I will. Thank you. Love you all.
Big
Hooray, did it.
Here comes talented Raja Thiran. He possesses strong linguistic intelligence.
Happy greetings to all. I am Raja Dhiran from grade 1. My school is my pride. I am grateful to my parents. Cambridge English class helped me with fluency. Thank all my teachers for their guidance. Thank you. Love you all.
அர்ஜுனர் வில்லு ஹரிச்சந்திர சொல்லு இவனோட தில்லு பொய்க்காது. இதரைய கொல்லு இமயத்தை வெல்லு உனக்கு ஒரு எல்லை கிடையாது.
Happy greetings and Rajanal of grade 1. Acharya helped me to believe in my talent. I have participated in columns work where I perform ambidexterity in blindfold. These opportunities are like once in a blue moon. Thank you for such opportunities. Thank you. Love you all.
Big
Oh yeah, I did it.
உன் முதலடியை நீ வைத்திடடா. தடை 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 இருப்பதை தாண்டிடத்தான் நீ காற்றினிலே பாயும் ஈட்டியடா.
notes. After knowing this, my math made me to shining academics by parallel processing. This has increased my reading skill. I thank my teacher for all the guidance. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good.
Oh yeah, I did it.
எல்லோருக்கும் ஜெயிக்கிற காலம் வரும் உன் கூடத்தான் பூமியை பிளந்து வரும் உன் பாதையில் ஆயிரம் திருப்பம் வரும்.
Next is rising star Rishan. He is a calm and composed kid. He possesses kinesthetic intelligence.
Hi, happy kid is 12. And Rajan of grade 1. I was once a resort student. My mom's brother made me to participate in more right and shun activities to overcome shyness. Now I am the Maharaja of my class. I thank all my teachers for their guidance. Thank you all.
Be good.
Oh, yeah.
தோல்விகளும் காயங்களும் செதுக்கிடுமே உனை. Okay.
Next comes marvelous Raja Mithul. He is a great bundle of energy and enthusiasm.
Hi, happy Install. I am Raja Mithul of grade 1. Initially started with fluency, but Cambridge English class has helped me to overcome fear of language. I thank my soul for providing extra class. Thank you, love you all.
Be good.
Oh, yeah.
Next comes Neat Raja Niranjan. He is always punctual, does his work perfect.
Hi, happy greetings world. I am Raja Niranjan Raj of grade 1. I am delighted to share my journey with Acharya. Initially struggled to read and write, but my teachers' guidance, I have seen tremendous growth. I am so proud to say that I have improved my reading skill. Thank you. Love you all. Bingo. Oh yeah, I did it.
உன்னை விட்டால் உன்னை வெல்ல யாரும் இந்த மண்ணில் இல்ல என்று சொல்ல நீ இன்று வா. அப்துல் கலாம் சொன்னார் ஒன்று தானா காண வேண்டும் என்று உண்மையாக்க நீ வென்று வா.
Next, it's Admirable Raja Arnesh. He is the organized kid who is very obedient and lovable.
Hi, happy reading to all. I am Raja Arne of grade 1. I going to come my journey with Akaria. My cooler, Polaria, me to concluding. Thank you, Lagia.
Be good.
Oh, yeah.
தடைகளை மீறினால் அரியணை ஏறலாம் ஒரு கை பார்ப்போமே.
Next comes helpful Raja Harisai. He has a high helping tendency. He excels in sports. He is a very kind person.
Hi, happy morning to all. I am Raja Harisai of grade 1. Today I am excited to share my journey with Acharya. For I like to express my gratitude to my mom Sibara for her guidance and support. At first, I struggled to speak in public, but now proudly my seeking kill. Thank you. Love you all. Oh, hey, Didi.
I request Ray to parents to come forward.
அச்சமுண்டு வெற்றி கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று அச்சம் கொண்டு அச்சம் வெல்லடா.